Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to troubleshoot your Brother DCP T700 printer ink box full. Yes, first you will do is to remove the power supply cord like that. Remove the power supply cord, and then we will hold or long press this mono button. Long press while we return the power supply cord, holding the mono button, and then this will appear machine error 46. And then next we will do is to press the plus button. Press the up plus button and choose the number 8, then press OK, and then we will press again the plus button and choose 0, then press OK. This will appear. After that, we will press the mono button and we will choose the purge option. Continue clicking the mono, pressing the mono button until the purge option will appear like this. Continue pressing. While watching, guys, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe to help me grow my page. It will help me a lot. Like this, the purge option will appear. Press OK, and then we will press the plus button and choose number 2. Press OK. After that, we press the plus button again. Press until number 7 will appear. Press OK, and then the plus button again. We will choose number 8. OK, and then we'll press again the plus button and choose number 3. Press OK, and then the plus button. Then choose number 9. OK again, and then the plus button again and choose number 9 again. OK, and then just leave it. Please wait, and then we will wait for the printer to reset its ink pad option like that. I hope this helps a lot. Just don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you.